Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. My dear students, hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to class with the students of class 3. Our today's subject is English Literature. This is our annual term 2021. Today our topic is poem, page 96 and 109. Our today's lecture number is 8 and HW number is also 8. And here is my phone number. My dear students, after completing the reading and learning, you will do HW. HW number 8, poem Sunshine, page number 96. You will write 10 lines with poet name and the poem's name. Okay? Now let's see the poems. From your buzzword book 3, I have taken these two poems. One is in page 96, another one is page 109. First, I am reading the poem Sunshine. My dear students, listen carefully everyone. You must write the poet's name after the poem's name. Like here is written Sunshine. After Sunshine, you will write here the poet's name. That is Rose Flint. Here you will write the poet's name whenever you will write in your copy. Okay? Here you must write the poet's name, and here also you will write the poet's name whenever you will write in your copy. Okay? Now let's see. I am reading. You can follow me and you can also read with me. Sunshine. Rose Flint. If I could hold sunshine, I could lighten the dark, warm up a cold sea, or brighten the park. I would scare away dragons, melt pathways through snow, and when it's raining, I would make a rainbow. If I could hold sunshine, what would I do? I would grow a big sunflower and give it to you. Okay, so what can we understand from this poem? Read the poem's name again. Yes, this is sunshine. So what means sunshine? Light. The earth is full of light. Whenever the sun shines so brightly, the sun shines in the world, everything looks very beautiful. And here the poet wants to say that if I could hold sunshine, that means if she could hold the sunshine, I could lighten the dark. She could lighten the dark. That means she will remove all the darkness from the world with the sunshine which she could hold in her hand. Then she will do what? Warm up a cold sea or brighten the park. You know that whenever it is too much cold, at that time we don't like the cold water. And if the sea contains the cold water, and at the time if we go near the sea, we wish that if the water become warm, we can take a bath or we can touch the water. That's why the poet is here wishing that if she hold the sunshine in her hand, in that case she will warm up a cold sea, or she will brighten the park. That means the park becomes dark, gloomy, or it's not enjoyable at all at the time of winter or whenever there is darkness. So if she could find out this sunshine in her hand, she will brighten the park. So from this para we came to know that if she could hold the sunshine, she could lighten the dark, she could warm up a cold sea, or she would brighten the park. Then see the next para. I would scare away dragons, melt pathways through snow, and when it's raining, I would make a rainbow. She wished that if she had the sunshine in her hand, she will make the dragons scared. She will make the dragons scared. Why? Because we know that dragons are dangerous and we are afraid of dragons if we see it. Actually, there is no dragon at all now, but we imagine the dragons and we think that the dragons are so much scary. And that's why the poet here wished that if she could hold the sunshine in her hand, She will scare away the dragons. Then she will melt pathways through snow. The pathways which is full of snow, covered with snow, totally becomes uneasy for walking or uneasy for going. She will melt that pathways with the sunshine. And when it is raining, I would make a rainbow. And whenever there is rain, she will make a rainbow. We know that after rain, whenever the sun starts to shine, at the time there is rainbow. And we all, everyone, like the rainbow. So she wished that she will scare away the dragons, she will make the pathways which is covered with snow, and after rain she must make a rainbow if she could hold the sunshine. Then the poet said, if I could hold sunshine, what would I do? Already the poet, in these two para, the poet has shown her wish that she will remove the darkness from the earth, she will warm up the cold sea, she will brighten the park, she will scare away dragons, later she will melt the pathways, and then she will make a rainbow. So what could else she do? She's asking herself, what could she else do? Then she's saying, I would grow a big sunflower and give it to you. We know that all of we love flower a lot. We wish, if we find the flower, we become very happy. That's why she wished at last that if she could hold the sunshine, she would grow a big sunflower and she will gift it to you. That means to us or to you, anyone. And at that time we will become so happy. So in short, here Rose Flint shows us the necessity of sunshine in the earth, that sun gives us lights, and that light shines the whole earth, and for that lights, we the human being or the animals or the plants, everything are alive in this earth, because sun is the source of all power in this world. Okay, now my dear student, you will learn 10 lines of this from this poem. You must learn 10 lines from this poem. Okay, learn 10 lines from both poems. You will learn 10 lines. Now see, shining things, written by Elizabeth Gould. This is in page number 109. You should open the page. Now see what the poet here saying. I love all shining things, the lovely moon, the silver stars at night, gold sun at noon, a glowing rainbow in a stormy sky, or bright clouds hurrying when the wind goes by, the glinting wings of bees and butterflies, my purring its green and shining eyes. I love the street lamp shining through the gloom, tall candles lighted in a shadowy room. I love the shining buttons on my coat. I love the bright beads round my mother's throat. The beauty of all shining things is yours and mine. It was a lovely thought of God to make things shine. So in this poem, we also found that Elizabeth Gould, the poet here, also loves the shining things. Shining things means what? Which reflects with the light, and which whenever we saw any dark thing or any black thing, at that time, which things first we see, that is the shining thing. Like if you saw the picture in your book, you will see the colorful picture. Here you will see that at first, from everything we can see the stars. We can see the stars. Why? Because it is a dark picture. It is a picture of a night, so it is dark, and but there the stars are totally white. That's why these are the shining things, and this takes our attraction at first. At first we look at this, because these are the shining things. And here the poet is saying that she loves the shining things. Why? She said that I love all shining things, the lovely moon, the silver stars at night, gold sun at noon. That means whenever at the night the moon is very lovely. When we look at the moon, when it lights so bright at night, at that time it becomes so lovely, and the poets here love this moon. And then the silver stars at night. I have already told that here in the picture we see the stars at first because of their shining face. Okay, then gold sun at noon. At the noon you will see that sun is looking so gold, and she is saying that she loves this gold sun. Okay, then a glowing rainbow in a stormy sky. Whenever there is a storm everywhere, the people become afraid of the storm because there is strong wind, there is too much rain. But among all these things, whenever the storm becomes stopped, the people loves the rainbow whenever it shines in the sky. Or bright clouds hurrying when the wind goes by. Now, in the time of autumn, in the sky you will see that there are some bright clouds which are going so fast with the winds which is going by all the time. And the poet here also loves these bright clouds. Okay, then the glinting wings of bees and butterflies. Whenever the bees or the butterflies move so fast, or they fly in the sky or in front of our eyes, we can see that their wings are glinting, their wings are shining with their colorful colors. Okay, my purring is green and shining eyes. Here she is saying that the purring is green, or that they are our shining eyes. Whenever we look at anyone's face, we just first see at his or her eyes that how much is it shining. Okay, and we love this, really we love this. Then I love the street lamp shining through the gloom, tall candles lighted in a shadowy room. That means whenever the night becomes full of darkness, becomes gloom, everything becomes gloomy, at that time we also love, the poet here also love the street lamp shining, because in the darkness the street lamp is the only light which shows the passengers their paths. Okay, then tall candles lighted in a shadowy room. At night, whenever our electricity gone, at that time we light the candles, and at that time we also love the candles, because when we can't see anything, we just see the candles. Then the poet said, I love the shining buttons on my coat. If you wear a coat, you will also find out that if you stand in front of the glass, you will see that your coat's button is shining, and you also love this. I love the bright beads round my mother's throat. Then here the poet is also saying when her mother wears the beads, where the garlands made with beads, at the time she also loved the bright beads. Then at last the poet is saying, the beauty of all shining things is yours and mine. It was a lovely thought of God to make things shine. That means the poet here wants to say that the beauty of all shining things is yours and mine. That you and I, we are very happy because of this beauty of these shining things, and this is ours, not any other person's. Okay, and at last she gave thanks to the God that He has created everything very beautifully with these shining things. As a result, we can see the shining things, we can enjoy the shining things. So we should also thank to our God. Okay, so from these shining things, the gist thing is that the shining things are the beautiful things, and we all love these beautiful things because everywhere the shining things first take our attention to it, and we want to enjoy it. We love this, everyone. Okay, so this is from this poem you will learn 10 lines. You will memorize 10 lines for your examination. So 8 then 10 lines. Up to this you will learn for your writing. Okay, and you must practice writing at home, and don't forget to write the poet's name after the poem's names, here and here. And your SW will sunshine up to 10 lines. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.